Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to register for My Dish account. If you are getting started for My Dish and you'd like to register for a new account, then the process is straightforward. So here's how you'll need to do it. First of all, learn to open a web browser. Once you do that, go to the URL box and type in my.dish and search. This will take you to the official website for My Dish. Once you get to the main home page, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the little human icon. In the pop-up, click on Create Username at the bottom. You will be prompted to enter either the email address or your phone number associated with your Dish account. Make sure you have access to whichever method you choose, as a confirmation code will be sent for verification. I'm just going to type in an email address in the text box. Now click on the Continue button. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter the verification code sent to you via your email or mobile phone number via SMS. Enter the code that you received and follow through the instructions. On the next page, it'll prompt you to create your username and password. After you do that, you'll likely receive a confirmation email or text message. Click on the link or enter the code to finalize the registration process. And that is it. You should now have a My Dish account up and running. You can now use it to manage your account, make payments, view your bills, and much more. So that's how you can easily create a new My Dish account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.